Hello everyone. Comb out the hair, then take a section off the front. Taking a section off the top of this front section, braid it. Taking the rest of the hair, include it in another braid, including this braid. At the back, make 2 or 3 sections and then add some clips to it. Make a braid at the bottom and roll it up. Start off by tying a ponytail, take a small section off this ponytail and then braid this section. Join it all together and then add a rubber band in the middle to it. Loosen some sections of it, adding your fingers. Do this until you reach the bottom. Take a small section of the hair from the middle, tie a rubber band to it, then take a section from the top, tie a rubber band once more. Make multiple sections underneath it until you join it at the back. Make 2 braids out of it, make it crisscross and then tie it up to the top ponytails. Make 2 braids on either side, roll it up into a bun and then add decorative clips or ponytails. Divide the top portion of the hair into 4 sections. Taking one of them, add a ribbon or any sort of decorative thread. Twist it around the hair as such, add a ponytail at the back. Take a small section from the front, add a rubber band to it. Slightly underneath the initial rubber band, add another rubber band and roll the hair in on itself. Take another section right underneath it where the first section is included into it. Once more, roll the hair in on itself. Do this multiple times until you reach the base, then braid the hair and then roll it upwards. Comb the hair into place, take a section from the front. Tie a ponytail at the back. Taking 2 sections of the hair, twist one over the other, then add a third section and begin to braid the hair. Do this until you reach the bottom, include more and more sections of the hair into this braid. Once you reach the base, include sections of the hair even from the ponytail on the left side as such. Tie it all up into a bun once you are done. Divide the hair into 5 portions as such. Taking the uppermost portion, divide it into 2 sections, make 2 braids out of it. Make 2 braids out of all the sections present. Take the left section, include it with center top and then join it together. Join each of the close-by sections together as such. Make them meet in the center and then tie a rubber band. Twist it into a bun. Comb out the hair, divide the hair into 3 portions. At the bottom, add multiple sections to the hair. You may make 4 sections at the bottom. Join them all together as such and then lift it up and then tie it up to the side ponytails that are present. Take a section of the top, begin to braid the hair. As you braid with the hair, include more and more sections of the hair into this. Tie it to the ponytail at the back once you're done, add a red ribbon through it, and then using the ribbon as one of the sections, begin to braid the hair. Roll it into a bun. Divide the hair into 2 sections. At the bottom, make multiple sections out of it. Braid the bottom portion of your hair. In the center, add multiple rubber bands to it, tie it up to the ponytail at the top. Divide the ponytail into 2 sections and then roll one over the other, twist it, roll it up into a bun, and then add a decorative clip or ponytail. You may also do this with a clip. Tie the hair up using this particular rubber band at the back. Make a ponytail out of it, divide it into 2 sections and then taking one of the sections, exchange it with the other. You will be making a fishtail braid. Take a small section of the hair from the front as such. Take the top section of this, add multiple rubber bands to it on either side. Now take a section off the middle, tie a rubber band to it and then roll the hair in on itself as such. Divide it into 2 sections, braid both the sections, make a bow out of it. As for the bottom, make 2 ponytails. Thank you for watching.